How to lock screen on YouTube video. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock screen on YouTube video. If you want to lock the screen while watching a YouTube video to prevent accidental touches, then here's how you can do it. First of all, ensure that you have the latest version of the YouTube application installed on your device. If not, you may go to the Google Play Store or any app store in order to update your YouTube application. Now once it is up to date, open your YouTube application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, play any video in your application. Simply tap on the video and it will start playing. Once it starts playing, here you will need to tap on the video playback and then tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with this menu at the bottom. Now here you will be able to see the option lock screen. Simply tap on it. Now then you will see the video has been rotated to landscape mode so that you can see the full screen mode. Now this disables all the video controls which prevents accidental taps or swipes. If in case you would like to unlock it, then you will need to tap anywhere on the screen and then tap on this tab to unlock. So this is how you can lock screen on YouTube video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.